Welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about permutations examples on order. In our last class, we already discussed a few examples on orders. Please watch that class because there we are going to understand the concept, what order means. This is just for practice example, little bit complex example for better practice. The concept was clearly discussed in our previous class. Please watch that class and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Our explanation is completely based on the assumption you already have the basic knowledge on order examples. So now coming to today's example, here they have provided A, B, C, D, E. These are the 5 characters they provided. From these 5 characters, we need to identify the permutations that contain A before B and A before C. See, these 2 conditions should happen. Those type of permutations only we need to count. Not all the permutations. A should be before B and A should be before C. Here it was given 2 conditions. A should be before B and means this entire condition is converted to A should be before B and C. So these type of permutations we need to identify. A should be before B and C means, so this question can be converted to the another form. A should be before B and C means A, B, C. This is one order. Yes, A is before B and C. This is one way we can solve. And the second option we are having, A should be before B and C means C, B, A, C, B. This is another option we are having. So we need to find both the situations. So the question is converted into R, either this option or the second option. So we need to find the symbols. Our symbol should be in the form of first A, after that you should place B, after that you should place C. This is the order we need to maintain. Or the second order is first A, after that C, after that B. This is the second order we need to follow. Either this order or the second order. This or that means we go with plus in between. In our last class examples, we already discussed these type of examples. We need to find the permutations that are of the order. The arrangement is in the order of, the element should be in the order of A, B, C. And the second option is permutations in the form of A, C, B. These type of examples we done previously. Now it is very easy to solve this example from the previous knowledge. So how we going to solve? Total 5 positions are there because our elements are A, B, C, D, E. 5 elements, 5 positions. These type of examples we are going to solve using, first we go with selections. From this total 5 positions, we need to select 3 positions. Yes, you can select any 3 positions. This is one of the case. First position, third position and fifth position. This is what one of the selection is. In this selection positions, place A, B, C. Yes, we can place it. Like that, you have to select different selections of 5 positions. In how many ways we are going to select 3 positions out of 5 positions? We do it in 5C3 ways. Once we selected, we place A, B, C there. So, in order to solve these examples, A, B, C, this can be done in 5C3 multiplied by, once you select 3 positions, remaining 2 positions can be filled with remaining 2 elements. What are the remaining 2 elements? D and E in 2 factorial ways. So this example is A, B, C. This option can be solved in 5C3 multiplied by 2 factorial ways. Similarly, the second option plus, the second option is you can go with ACD, ACB. This can be done in 5C3 multiplied by 2 factorial. So adding these 2, you are going to get the total permutations value. 2 multiplied by 5C3 multiplied by 2 factorial. This is our total permutations that in which our arrangements that contains A before B and A before C. Now take the second example. This is very important and bit complex to understand. So the second example is completely based on the first one. If you understand the first one, second one is easy. What's the condition they have provided here? We need to find the permutations that belongs to A before B or either this option or A before C. This is what we need to identify. By looking at the question, we can easily identify that. We can simply will get a thought in your mind. What's the thought we are going to get? It's very easy, but there is a twist in this example. What's the twist we need to understand here? See, A before B, this is one condition, or A before C, this is second condition. Solve this one separately, solve this one separately, place plus in between that, that is the total permutations. No, that is not the case. What we are missing here? Let's try to understand with example. Let's take this example, A before B. Means we have to place A, B in a sequence so that A before B. How we are going to solve this example? Select 2 positions out of 5 positions. How many ways you are going to select that? 5C2 ways multiplied by remaining 3 positions can be filled with 3 factorial ways. What are the remaining elements? AB is used here. What are the remaining elements? C, D, E. But think about it. If you place C here, what's that option? A before C. This option we already counting that in the second option. What is that second option? A before C. This option already done in this example. Similarly, what's the second condition? A before C. Select any 2 positions from 5 positions. Suppose A, C. If you place B here, this option already done here. So we are recounting here. Mixed up, the situations are mixing. So these type of examples, we need to solve them using complement method. That is the easy way to solve this type of examples. Let's try to understand what's that complement method means. So once you understand what's missing here, why we are doing it in complement method, so doing it in complement method is very easy. You need to understand this concept, why we go with the complement method. Now take this. This is our condition. Exactly complement to what's our condition? This is our condition. A before B or A before C. For this, if you write the complement, this is what exactly the complement is. B before A and C before A. For this condition, exact complement is this. With practice, you are going to get this complement. How we have written this condition with a basic intuition. You are going to write how to write this complement. So in order to solve this, before solving this, from our total permutations, what are the total permutations? How many characters are there? 5 characters are there. What are the total permutations? 5 factorial is the total permutations. From the total permutations, for this condition, this is what exactly complement is. From the total permutations, if you remove this count, you are going to get this example. A before B or A before C. That is what complement method means. Solving this is very easy because in between we are having and. The same way we have done the first example. B before A and C before A means this can be written as means B and C should be before A. This can be written like this. See here. Complement. Total minus complement. This is what we are following. What is our complement condition? B before A and C before A. So this can be written as BCA, this is one situation, or CBA. Solving this is very easy. We already done in the above situation. So one sequence you have to follow BCA, other sequence you have to follow CBA. These are the situations where you are going to get a B before A and C before A. And can be written like this. So solving it is, you have to select 3 positions out of 5 positions using 5C3 ways multiplied by 2 factorial. Remaining 2 positions filled with 2 elements using 2 factorial ways. Similarly, this sequence is 5C3 multiplied by 2 factorial. This total permutations is 2 multiplied by 5C3 multiplied by 2 factorial. This is the complement count. Total minus complement, you are going to get the actual one. So that's why 5 factorial minus this value. Hope you understand these examples, how we have solved this complement example. Many times they are going to ask you these questions in competitive exams. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates.